Welcome back to my video. Here I will explain Python ternary. It is like if else. That was create a file touch test.py test.py. Now if else, what we do in if else, let's say a is equal to 18. Okay, if is greater than 18. Okay, print, let's say print adult. 18 or equal to. If this information it is true, it will print adult. Now else print minor. No, this is what we know from our if else. You can run it to test Python 3 test.py. You see it is adult. .py. Okay, this is our code. The condition is true, so it is printing this line. Now what is ternary? We will see that here we can do also in compressed form 1. Okay, let's say a status status, right? We are going to compress this. This is status equal to adult, adult. This is output if is greater than or equal to 18. Okay, so this is ternary. We write this way, and we will also continue else if this condition is true, it will print this left side. If condition is false, it will print right side minor. Is that okay to understand? We keep this little bit on the video, you can see better. Okay, so left side for if this is variable. Okay, now this condition it will check. So age is 18. So this result and this result same. I can also create another statement that status is, let's say 1 equal to adult, and if is let's say less than, okay, less than. Okay, ignore this at first. Run this and check the result. Okay, Control O, save it and run it. Python 3 test.python. You see it is showing adult. All right, it is showing adult. So if I remove this part, delete this part to understand better, age is 18. All right, to see this, and now if we want to see this result, right? So how we can see? We have to type print. We have to type print status. Right, without print it will not print. Okay, now save it. Python 3 test.py. You see it is showing adult. If I change it here, let's say age is, let's say 3. Okay, 3. So it is now this condition, if is equal to greater than 3 or equal to 3. Now this is 3. Then this condition true, but this condition is false. So this is here. Save it and run it. So you see it is now showing minor. this is how to use ternary. This is called ternary. It is called ternary operator. In Java language also it has, and there is a different way, only a same concept is same. So this is the code, and you see it is 3, and if the this condition is true, then it will print adult left side. If condition is false, it will print